Alright, so let's try out this piece of crap and see how well it works. It still has its original belt on it, so the belt's probably going to slip a lot, but I don't have a replacement right now. So let's see how well this piece of crap works. Alright, so this piece of crap works. Does still need a belt. Brush was slipping a little bit, but didn't burn up. You can see you have some marks on the base, and you can tell it's pretty dark in here right now. Oh, there you can see all the nasty crap on it, but it is working. and I stuck this crevice tool and extension wand on here, just from some random other vacuum. So, has that. Has no combo tool. If I decide to keep this, I'll probably put that stretch hose on it. But otherwise, it's good. I mean, I do like it a lot better than the 8 amp version of this. I like the 10 amp motor a lot more than the 8 amp motor. I actually like the 10 amp motor more than the 8 and the 12 amp motors. But yeah, let's see. We got some dirt in here. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Look at that. Obviously, there's a lot of dirt on the floor, but picked everything up, so can't complain too much. Does in fact function. Make sure to get that lined up correctly. And there you go. Already reviewed this thing before, so not really much else to say about it since I've already given my thoughts on this model. It's alright. It's E12B1 from the 294th day of 2012. And yeah. So look at the bottom of it. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the brush roll there. It spins just fine. Belt slips a little bit, but again, I'll put a new belt on it eventually. But for now, it does work. Even with that worn out belt, it still does okay. So just a basic cleaning and unclogging of the filters and whatever else I did to it. I honestly can't remember. And it's good. It's all good. So yeah, that's got another one of these old style PowerForce Helixes, and since this is the 10 amp one instead of the 8 amp, I may keep this one, but I really have no reason to keep it. This is basically the version, this is the exact version that they sell a commercial version of now anyways, both as a Sanitaire and as a Bissell Big Green. This exact vacuum with the same 10 amp motor, just with a beefier cord on it, and a different color scheme, and if you get the Sanitaire version, a metal handle. Otherwise, the same vacuum. Actually, I think the Sanitaire version also adds a stretch hose like the bag version does. I don't think the Big Green version has a better hose. I believe it has the same crappy plastic hose. I could be wrong, though. Maybe they've updated it. But yeah, so that's the PowerForce Helix 12B1. Again, looking at the sticker. So that's that. So nothing too exciting here, but figured I'd show it running. So yeah. It has the I don't even know what Bissell this came off of, but it's an older style crevice tool that it refused to focus on because of the low light. Let me turn on the light here real quick so you can actually see this thing. I probably won't do this with the lights off again unless I'm doing a vacuum with a headlight. Yeah, so that's that with the light on. So that's cool. Let me move this over here so it doesn't look like I'm advertising my internet company. There we go. And that crevice tool that I mentioned. Haven't done anything to this. This is exactly as I got it. Pretty gross. But yeah, cord hooks are good. Handle lock is good. Didn't need a whole lot. The other one was missing the separator, but since I had that other one that was all faded and that the motor is bad on it, that one I'll just be stripping down and using for parts. So I already took the separator out of it, but if anyone needs a bin or something and doesn't care about it being faded, I have obviously a bunch of those, or I have a lot of those parts. I have a base. I think largemouth bass was needing a base, so that's available, assuming I can get it off the machine without it breaking. Otherwise, I'll probably just sell the whole unit as a parts unit, but we'll see. Yeah, and I guess we'll run it again super real quick with the lights on. Not that it makes a difference, but yeah, do that real quick. Oops, okay, well that didn't work. So that's the PowerForce Helix. Yep. That's it. Peace.